Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how we can connect too many nodes to a merge node through shortcut. So first we will create some node box. After creating box, the box is an object, so double click and go into geometry. Inside geometry we can create multiple node like sphere, then create tube, then create a grid. Now we are having multiple nodes here. So if we want to create a merge node and connect all this node to a merge node, then we need to connect one by one. So there is a shortcut key for this. We can select all the nodes and press Alt on the keyboard. After pressing Alt, click left mouse button and drag down and release the Alt and left mouse click. In this way we can create a merge node, and by default after creating the node it will give the render flag to the merge node. So this was the method, and to create a duplicate of a node we can just select the node and then press Alt and left mouse click to create a duplicate. In this way we can create a duplicate of any node. We can just copy or paste the node to create a copy, or to make a duplicate, Control C and Control V to make the duplicate copy of a node. So there are two methods to create a copy of a node.